Hey guys, it's Joel with One Great Vacation. I got something a little different for you today. We're going to actually do an unveiling. One of the most important travel tools that you can have is a good cell phone. So today, I've got the Pixel 3. We're going to take it out of the box, see what it's all about. We're also going to connect it to Total Wireless, which is my carrier of choice. So, let's see, pull the tab. Alright, here we go with the lid. Ooh, there's the phone. Now this is the regular Pixel 3, not the XL. Take it out of the plastic. And there you have it. It does feel good. All glass body. What else comes with it? Well, let's take a look. In our box here, we have the SIM card removal key. We're going to need that. Some cool Google stickers. And a couple of manuals for it. What else do we have here? We have power brick. Now this is interesting. One thing I noticed about the power brick is the Pixel 3 uses the USB-C. This is a USB-C plug, so I assume that the cord, which is here, is USB-C on both ends. That's a little different than normal. Wasn't expecting that. Not sure that I like that, but oh, we'll go with it for now. Okay, so this plugs in there. You're good to go. Clean a little of this mess up. Also coming with it is a dongle. This is USB-C to the 3.5mm jack for headphones. And also, an extra bonus that I did not know of, this is USB-C to USB 3.0, which is kind of nice also. One more thing that I overlooked here. If we take this and open it, we have a set of USB-C headphones, which is kind of a nice touch too, since you don't see that very often. Alrighty, so let's get down to it. Okay, let's talk SIM cards a second. I bought my son the exact same camera today, so first thing we figured out is this camera takes a nano SIM card, and this is my S5. My S5 has a regular sized SIM card in it. So I had to go out and find one of these, which is a SIM kit for Total Wireless. Now if you buy these at Walmart, they're about $8, $7.88 I think is what I paid for these. If you have the forethought to order them, you can get them from 99 cents from Total Wireless. I didn't really want to wait because it said it would take up to a week or week and a half to get this in. So me being impatient, I decided to splurge on the $7 and went and bought this one at Walmart. So we're going to open this up next, and we're going to look at the SIM card, and I'll show you how to load it into the phone. Okay, so what comes in the SIM kit? This is the SIM kit. If we look at it, we have a piece of cardboard. You got a little something there, but this is what you're looking for, the little paper that says get started. In here is this card, and this is the most important thing about all of this. If you'll notice here, you have a SIM card that is in 3 stages, and they'll punch out if you haven't noticed. So you can have this rather large one. it'll punch out to a standard one, and then it'll also punch out to a nano, and we need to punch out to the littlest one here. So we do simple punch out. Oh, I didn't get it. That's a standard size. Punch it out again. See if I can put, there we go. Oops. There we go. Alright, so this is nano size. So how do we get this into here? Well, also in that box you had this little thing. It was a circle with a little bitty point on it. I hope that's showing up in the camera. But on the bottom of your phone there is a hole. A tiny little hole. And you push this in and this pops out. Like this. You take your SIM card and you lay it in there with the metal side up, and then you slide this gently back into the slot and close it. Alright, you have now inserted your SIM card. So what's the next step? You simply go to Total Wireless and activate it on the web. And as soon as I've done that, I'll come right back to you. Okay, and we are back. Okay, so I did the necessary stuff on the computer to upgrade my phone. Let's see if it actually worked. We're going to turn this puppy on for the first time. Maybe. Aha! Here we go. So far, so good. Now, I will say this. Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. Okay, so after setting up the Wi-Fi, it's checking for updates and installing updates. Hopefully this won't be too long. I don't have the best internet here at the house, so it may take a little longer than normal. Hopefully you've got better internet than I do, and yours goes much faster than that. I do want to copy all of my stuff from my old phone, so okay. Turn it on and keep it unlocked. Okay. So we're going to pull out the old phone. I'm going to start it up if I can get it to start up. Here we go. You'll notice it's the Galaxy S5, as we already talked about. I assume they're going to want to use some of these dongles here. Maybe. I don't know how we're going to do this, to be honest with you. I may have to go get some specialized cords here. This was an old Verizon phone. And as you can see up here at the top, hello, you can see I don't have any signal. Well, I just said I didn't have any signal, and I do on that one. Okay, so I've got my old phone started. Let's hit next. It says, find your old phone's cable. Use a cable that fits your old phone. That's usually the cable used for charging. Okay, we're going to stop right here and go get a cable. And we're back with a micro USB cable. And then we'll use our new little dongle that came with the phone. We'll hook that in. We'll plug this up. And we will hit next. And there they are. Phones are connected. I didn't even have to touch anything, by the way. Okay, so I really haven't had to do anything here. All I had to do was put in my email passwords. You can see on my old phone it says continue setup on your Pixel 3, and this one says we're transferring blah blah blah. And then it asks me what I want to transfer here. So I want to transfer I guess everything. Let's just hit everything. See what happens here. I don't know how long. 11 gigs is what I had on my old phone, it says. So this phone is a 16 gig. This one's a 64 gig. So basically it's going to take 11 minutes. So luckily, the power of the internet, I will be back in 11 minutes. And the magic of the internet. Copying is all done. So we're going to keep going. We're going to hit next. We want to, let's see, back up to Google Drive. Use location. Allow scanning for apps and services. We'll just hit it. Accept. Additional legal terms. Accept. Look at there. Unlock with your fingerprint. We'll hit next. We gotta set the pin. Yep, sorry. Not gonna let you see this part. Okay, so we got the fingerprint and pin set up. We hit continue. I agree. Your assistant can already, you're all set. Just squeeze for your assistant, because the new Pixel 3 has the squeezable sides. Squeeze quickly and release. Let me try that now. So I just squeeze. Finish up. Go. Always on display, yes. Add another blah blah. We're going to hit no thanks at this point. We are all set up. I don't really want that. We'll hit all set. Adding the finishing touches, it says. May take a minute or two. Let's see what they got. Oh, just a sec. Just a sec. And we are done. And there you have it. The Pixel 3 set up on Verizon Wireless. Works 100% compatible. So if you're wondering, now I will tell you this, that in my part of the world, Total Wireless uses CDMA. So this phone is capable of CDMA or GSM, but the SIM card I just put in there is a CDMA SIM card on Verizon's network. Hey, I know this is a little off the beaten path and this is a travel channel, but this is one of your most important tools to traveling. You've got to have a good cell phone. You need Google Maps. I highly recommend everything Google, but this tool right here allows us to do more than any other thing on our vacations. So I'm going to give it a product review. You'll see that come up on my reviews page. So far, everything I've read, so far looking at it, I'm really liking it. It is slightly smaller than my S5. Now, my S5 is in a big old bulky case, but it's slightly skinnier, I should say. It's about the same length. It's slightly skinnier. But I chose that. Fits in my pocket better, to be honest with you. And I kind of like that. And there you have it, the always on display. It's 9:19 at night, November the 20th, and it's 41 degrees outside. That's everything you need to know. It's time to go on vacation. Hey, thank y'all for watching.